I always forget how to do this. So, all right, there's a website here, Mixamo.com, and it has all these free animations, and you can download these and use them in Unity. So what you do is you say like this animation walk, this unarmed walk forward, so you like that. You say download, and then I say without skin. You can pick your frames and say download. And then it pops up over here. Then you drag it into Unity. And then the problem here, why does it look that? The problem here is you usually go humanoid, create from model, and then it's messed up. Like, look at that, it's all messed up. He's like super messed up. So then the problem is that his thing isn't in a T pose. The default thing isn't in a T pose. And then you create it from the model and it's all messed up. So the solution is in Mixamo, you just search T pose, you get this guy, T pose, and you say download. I don't know, I don't think the skin matters. And then you probably want the frame rate. I guess it doesn't matter, the frame rate. Because you just want that starting pose or something. And then, so you get the T pose. And the T pose, you say create from this model, apply. And then this guy, you say create, copy from other avatar, this T pose avatar, apply. And now it's fixed. This guy matches this guy that was here. Now the animation works. So another thing is these people made on the Unity forums, they made a script. And I'm going to put it in the comment or in the description of the video here. And animation batch import. And then you drag it in and wherever you want. And then here it says window, animation batch import. And this is nice, it'll rename the stuff. See how it says mixamo.com? It's like wrong. And now here, custom avatar, you drag in this T-pose avatar. And then you select the directory with all your animations process. And now that's just an alternate way of doing it. And the nice thing about that script is that it renames it. See, unarmed walk forward. So you probably want to use the script. When I use Mixamo, I'm like, oh my god, how do I fix that problem? So that's how you fix it. Have a good day.